Welcome back to Lily's Everyday. Today we're going to be making a wonderful salad with cucumbers, tomatoes, and onions. I call this the spring or summer salad. It's very easy to do. It goes with pretty much everything and every time of the year, although I call it the spring or summer salad. Whatever you want to do, it's great. It's very refreshing, I gotta say. So I have here some chopped tomatoes in here. I have about 2 of them. It's okay if the juice is in there. It's actually better. I have 2 English cucumbers, peeled and chopped. I have about a half a red onion in here. I'm gonna probably use half of a half, basically, so 1/4 of the onion. And now I'm gonna go ahead and drizzle it with some oil. Not too much, about, I'd say, a tablespoon and a half. Some salt to taste. Pepper to taste. And then the lemon. Squeeze it in your hand. Make sure not to get the seeds in there. 1 lemon should be fine unless you want to do more. It's really up to your taste. And there, with clean hands, I'm going to give it a mix. Gentle mix. This is wonderful in the fridge. It holds up pretty well. And if you make it probably a half an hour before serving, it's going to be delicious. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys try this and see how wonderful it tastes. Take care.